Welcome, curious minds, to the Microscopic Marvels Quiz. Prepare to venture into the unseen world and uncover the hidden wonders that exist just beyond our sight. Are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. What could this possibly be? This hunt is guided by a process called chemotaxis. When bacteria release certain signals, it's like a scent in the wind that the white blood cells pick up on. They rush towards this scent, extending their arms to surround and capture the bacteria. What is this squiggly thing? The image shows a nematode, a microscopic worm-like organism commonly found in soil and water environments. Nematodes play diverse roles in ecosystems and can be both beneficial and harmful to plants and animals. What is this blob? The image shows a paramecium, a single-celled protist, actively capturing and feeding on smaller microorganisms. Paramecia are notable for their cilia, which they use for movement and to sweep food particles into their oral grooves. This is clearly a blob. What do you think? The image showcases protozoa, which are single-celled microorganisms. Protozoa come in various shapes and sizes and are primarily classified by their method of locomotion, such as flagella, cilia, or pseudopods. What is this? The image depicts a tardigrade, often referred to as a water bear due to its appearance. Tardigrades are microscopic, water-dwelling organisms known for their remarkable resilience and ability to survive extreme conditions. Thank you for embarking on this journey through the Microscopic Marvels Quiz. If you enjoyed unraveling the tiny mysteries, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring.